Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's Slice of Joy. Today we are actually located in my back property. I thought it's a beautiful day, summertime, so let's get outside. And today we're actually doing a double Ipsy haul. So I didn't put a video out for number 2 because life got a little bit hectic for a moment, and number 3 came in, so I thought I'd just put them together for you guys. So let's get right into it, and I'm going to start with number 2, of course. I haven't even opened these up. I don't know what they look like at all. So I have an extra thing in the package that we kind of talked about last time, that sometimes the things don't fit into the little bag. But here's our little bag. Cute. So it's this little kind of yellow bag. Oh, it's got the flyer. You guys know I don't look at that beforehand. Don't worry, anything that I put on the ground I'm going to be picking up and bringing back with me, of course. So, the first item is an Ipsy Tetris lip gloss. So that's kind of interesting. Let's check that out. Oh, okay. So it's this shimmering, I'm just seeing if it kind of, shimmering golden kind of lip gloss. Yeah, there's like a ton of shimmer in it. Don't know if that's gonna come up or not. It's interesting. All right, let's get on to the next product. So we got a Amazon Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation broad spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen. So that looks pretty cool. I wonder if it's actually, it's by Tarte, so that's nice. Let's see if it's the actual shade. Oh, to open this little guy up. And that is the Amazon Clay. It's not focusing, sorry guys. It's pretty thick. It's really thick actually. Not much of a scent to it. It smells like a really light sunscreen. So I'm gonna put this one aside. And oh, we got another brush. The brushes are always nice. Take it out of its little packaging. All Over Shadow by Elizabeth Mott. Okay. And then the last thing in here, and the cap came off, I could feel it, is a Numa Naturally Addictive Protection Sans Rinsed. Revitalize Healthy Hair World You. That's literally what it says. Anyway, so this looks like it's something for your hair. So I'll have to read into this a little bit more. And then, like I said, there was something in the bag. So we're going to check out what is in this bag. Oh, cute. Sweet Honey Bear face mask. That's really cute. All right, so you got 2 of these. I wonder if they're both the same. Check. Oh, cute. No, the other one is an Aqua Moisture Raccoon face mask. Cute. Okay, so that's everything for the second Ipsy bag. So let's go on to the third. And this one's actually like pretty thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy up. Okay. Oh, yeah, there's something in the bag as well. So, oh, cute. And how appropriate, we're outside, foliage. Anyway, that's really cute. And this is the card. And the first item, pretty big box here. And it's color nail polish. Oh, nice. It's an actual large bottle of nice purpley nail polish. It says, "For the love of color," all over it. It's cute. And got this guy. So Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. Excuse me. I don't use, oh, almost fly on my hand. I don't use a lot of liquid lipsticks, but I know Smashbox is really good company, so I'll try these guys out. It's got a really big doe foot applicator. Oh, and it's very pretty. I think it'll look nice. All right, next item. It's a big one. Oh, upside down. There we go. And this is Phase Zero Makeup Cotton Candy Blusher. So it looks like it's going to be a blush. Yeah, just a nice light pink blush. Let's see how that looks. It's pretty light. So I just have it right along here. It's very just like a blush. So let's see what else is in here. And this is the last item in the bag itself. Oh, and this is 12 benefits. Instant healthy hair treatment. So I have another hair treatment, so that's pretty cool. Seals color, soothes, repairs, improves texture and manageability, prevents split ends and moisturizes, strengthens, protects from chlorine, wind and sun, prevents flat iron damage, adds shine and softness, protects from blow drying, and anti-age formula. It's really giving you everything in there. So I'll have to test that out and read a little further into that as well. And that's it for the bag. Like I said, there's something else in here. It doesn't, oh yeah, I guess it kind of feels like a mask. Oh, the coffee scrub. Interesting, French vanilla. Sexy skin is just a scrub away. That's really interesting to me. The ingredients are ground organic coffee beans, grapeseed oil, mentha aqua, olive oil, almond oil, glycerin, water, macadamia nut oil, vitamin E, cinnamon cassia essential oil, and vanilla extract. It seems pretty cool. However, the only thing is that I am an avid watcher of Susan Yara. I really love Susan Yara's content and mixed makeup. And Susan Yara is very much not for any kind of coffee scrubs or anything that's going to make very micro cuts on the skin. So as cool as I think this is, I'm going to do some more research into it because I'm kind of worried that it may be too scratchy. It may scratch on my skin. My skin's very delicate as well. So interesting. So this is everything we've got. As far as anything left, I think we got it all. The face masks, the scrubs, nail polish, eye brush, hair treatments, everything. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me and opening these Ipsy subscriptions. These are always really fun for me. I feel like it's like a little Christmas, so I've been very excited to open these with you guys. And I hope you join me on my next unveiling or whatever. If you want to see me do something, you have some ideas, let me know in the comments and take it easy. You know what to do on YouTube. We've all been on this platform for a while, so I hope you all enjoy the rest of your summer or winter wherever you are, and just take it easy. Peace and love for all. Have a good one, guys. Bye.